So when we have our campaign set up, we may want to create some additional ads for our display activity. So to do that, when we click into our campaign, we just navigate over to the ads and extensions area. There we're able to create an ad by pressing this blue button here or pressing this button down here. So either are fine, and we're going to create a responsive display ad. So we have a fairly straightforward ad builder here with a preview over on the right hand side, some areas to fill in, options to get images and logos, to add videos if required, and then our landing page. Let's start by adding some images and logos. We do this by clicking this button here. From here we've got a number of options. We can scan the website, we can upload some images, use stock images recently used or our assets, or we can just simply scan our website, which is the best way to proceed. So we enter our website and then Google goes ahead and scans our website for images that it may find useful for us. As you can see, it's picked up the website there and it appears to be scanning it. We're then presented with a number of options based on what's in our website. From there, we can choose, say this one for example. We're going to use maybe this as our logo. We'll set our crop, and then we may use this as our image. So we click that as image. We set our crops here, maybe move that up or down or as we see fit, and that's a square, so that's fine. And then we can continue and save. So even though we did this setup during the campaign setup, if we want to write new ads with new images, we simply have to click into the ads area on the left hand side and press the plus button, choose responsive ads, and it will bring us to our ad builder here. So we just now have to enter our headlines, our long description, up to 5 descriptions, and we can add more by pressing this add button, and that will allow Google to decide using programmatic understanding and AI which is the best combination of copy and image to serve to our audience in order to deliver on our campaign objective. When we're done with all that, we simply save it and move on. And when we've added in our detail, we're able to see over on the right hand side different previews, different combinations of our images and our copy, and then we can toggle between the different networks here, so we can see what it looks like on YouTube, and we can likewise see what it looks like as a Gmail ad. Then of course over on the right hand side in the top corner we have our mobile desktop toggle device, so we can click on desktop. That will show us what it looks like in the different areas there. For Gmail, we can see what it looks like on YouTube as an MPU and equally as a leaderboard, and then on the Google Display Network in all of the different formats, including a CTA, all of that stuff. So that's all available to us here. If we click the more options, we can pull up our call to action or our custom colors if we want to make a little bit of a design feature of our ads, and then click save.